Something I oftentimes like to do if I see a spider, especially after it's just spun a web, is I like to find a bug and throw it in there, in the web, and watch them wrap it up. We've had such a terrible stink bug problem this year. They were plentiful, so I picked one up and threw it in, and shortly after, the spider got to it, started wrapping up. It's kind of funny because at one point the stink bug emitted its stink. It's something they do when they feel threatened. And the spider was very hesitant to keep wrapping for a couple of minutes because it was effective, I guess, and the spider was kind of cleaning off its feet. Something that's really interesting, if you look at the spinnerets and you see all the strands, I always thought it was just one strand, but there are numerous strands, and I always thought it was one. As you can see, the spider now has a hold of the stink bug and is paralyzing it. The spider's missing one leg too. Didn't faze it.